wish I was in Carrickfergus, only for nights in Ballygrand. I would swim over the deepest ocean, the deepest ocean, for my love to find. But the sea is wide, and I cannot swim over, neither have I the wings to fly. If I could find me a handsome boatman to ferry me over to my love and die. My childhood days bring back sad reflections of happy times spent so long ago. My childhood friends and my own relations have all passed on now like melting snow. But I'll spend my days in endless roaming. Soft is the grass, my bed is free. To be back now in Carrickfergus, on that long road down to the sea. I'll spend my days in endless roaming. Soft is the grass, my bed is free. But I am sick now, and my days are numbered. Come all you young men, and lay